Hi friends, I've got an incredible shrimp recipe to share with you today that is delicious, easy, and super fast to make. Trust me, you're going to love the unique flavor of this dish. It tastes even better than garlic butter shrimp. Let's get started. First, peel and devein 250 grams of shrimp. Next, lightly coat the shrimp in some flour. Now, in a separate bowl, we'll put together our creamy sauce ingredients. 100 milliliters of cream, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 50 grams of canned pineapple chunks, and 10 grams of sliced green onions. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add in the floured shrimp and fry until they get a nice golden crust on the outside, about 2-3 minutes per side. When the shrimp are fried to perfection, pour in the cream sauce mixture. Let it come to a boil, then immediately remove it from the heat and give it a good stir to coat the shrimp evenly. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing dishes coming your way. I'm doing my best for you.